What's up, cool cats and kittens? It's Uncle Matt here. Marvel Monday, but it's a very special Marvel Monday because today we're gonna check out all the Marvel stuff that's in the theme parks here in the Orlando area. Try to knock out everything we can. But movies will be back next week, so don't worry. You will get to see more Marvel Mondays with me and Nephew Parker watching movies. I know everybody loves those, so stay tuned, there's more to come. First up, the Incredible Hulk. He's gonna smash. Next up, Dr. Doom's Fearfall. Uh-oh. Oh no. What are you doing, Dr. Doom?
Safety warnings and set for maximum extraction.
I got scolded by a mysterious voice from above for having my camera out on that. Oops. We got Cyclops here today, everybody's favorite X-Man. Not Wolverine. A lot of people like Wolverine, but everybody knows this guy's number one. Right?
Right.
Number one. Unfortunately, we were not able to ride The Amazing Spider-Man today. A combination of timing, and it had several down times for maintenance, so missed out on this one today, but I've ridden it before. It's awesome. Would have been probably one of the top 5 in the park back at its inception, if not the best in the park when it originally opened, but still good to this day. We got to ride Transformers though, and it's basically the same ride, so kind of got our fix on that type of ride. But we'll see you next time, Spidey. Coming soon here, the first Marvel attraction in Walt Disney World. Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster. This is gonna be sick. You can kind of see the massive show building lurking over the top there here in the former Wonders of Life Pavilion. I think that's wrong. I don't know if that's right or not, but this roller coaster is gonna be pretty freaking sick. Good to see Marvel finally making its way over to Walt Disney World, even though they're kind of limited in what they can utilize here. All right, that is gonna do it for this week's special edition Marvel Monday theme park edition. We hit as much of the Marvel stuff as we could find here, and mostly Universal Studios, obviously, because they hold the rights on the East Coast of most of the Marvel properties. Disney's been able to start linking some of the newer stuff in, like Guardians of the Galaxy, which we saw coming soon over there at Epcot. But thank you guys for joining us as always. We will continue to do this next Monday, back to videos with Nephew Parker and the Marvel movies. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications so that you see those. Leave me comments down below. What are your favorite rides here? What are your favorite Marvel attractions? Have you done any of the ones at any of the other Disney parks? Give this video a thumbs up and continue to practice the things that we've been practicing while we've been here at the parks. And don't stand so close to me.